Look at all this moss. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna have to come up here with my bucket and get some. I'm building a train landscape for my toy trains, my model trains.
What size?
Oh, I've got N, HO, and Lionel, which is
the O gauge?
Oh, yeah.
That's what my dad has.
Does he? So instead of buying the fake stuff, I've been coming up here and just getting sheet pans or like that kind of moss.
Yeah.
And I put it over the, actually that's cool.
Does it stay alive?
Yeah. It's unbelievably resilient. Well, look at even now how green it is.
Yeah.
And we've had some huge frost. Last night it was 20. So that's doing really well.
35 at home last night.
Was it?
30. What would they find? They're all sniffing the same thing.
Huh. Probably found some food in the road.
Maggie, what are you doing?